And second step will be beam strength. SB, beam strength of weaker element. So beam strength of helical gear is given by sigma B. SB is equal to, now as it is a weaker element is pinion, so we will directly write here sigma BP, B, Mn and Yp dash. Okay, so here you have to take sigma BP as the pinion is weaker. If suppose the gear is weaker, here you have to put sigma Bg. Okay, so if you substitute here all the values, so sigma BP is 266.67. Now B is 10 into normal module into Yp dash 0.3313. So if you solve it, you will get SB as 883.477 mn square in Newton. Okay. So this is beam strength. Now actually third step will be we have to go for the wear strength, but in this case the BHN is not given, so you cannot find weak wear strength, because here BHN you need to find. Okay, so BHN is not given, means you don't need to find the wear strength, you directly have to design your gear pair based on beam strength. Okay, so your next step in this case will be you have to find effective load. Okay, so by preliminary estimation you need to first calculate effective load. So effective load is given by P effective is equal to CA CM PT divided by CV. Okay, now your CA is nothing but application factor which is given, CM is also given, load distribution factor PT we need to find and CV we need to find. Okay, so PT is nothing but power by velocity. Okay, so here velocity we need to first calculate. So first we will calculate velocity. V is equal to pi dp np divided by 60 into 1000. Now here np we have, dp we don't have, so dp we will find, dp is equal to m into zp, but here m into zp, but here m is nothing but mn divided by cos of psi. So m is mn divided by cos psi into zp. So you will get dp as mn zp divided by cos of psi. Now if you substitute the value of zp and cos of psi, value of psi, so here mn, now here zp is 14 divided by cos of 25. So if you solve it, you will get dp in terms of module as 15.447 normal module. Okay, now if you substitute this value of dp here in the formula of v, so you will get v is equal to pi, now dp is 15.447 mn into np is 720 divided by 60 into 1000. So if you solve it, you will get velocity as 0.5823 mn meter per second. Okay, in terms of normal module you will get velocity. Now if you substitute this velocity in this formula of power pt, so pt is equal to, now power is given as 30 kilowatt, so 30 into 10 raised to 3 divided by velocity is 0.5823 mn. So if you solve it, you will get pt in terms of mn as 51516.45 divided by mn in Newton. Okay, so this is pt. Then after getting pt we need to find cv. Okay, so as IT grade is given, IT grade 7, and in the previous lecture I have shown you the velocity factor, different formulas for velocity factor according to IT grade. So for IT grade 7, the velocity factor CV is 5.6 divided by 5.6 plus under root v. Okay, so from this you just have to substitute here the value of v and leave it, because right now will not solve it. So 5.6 divided by 5.6 plus under root, now v is 0.5823 normal module. Okay, so this is CV. Now if you substitute all these value in the formula of P effective, okay, so your P effective will be, P effective is equal to Now CA, CM, PT. So here CA is given as 1.3, CM is 1.1. Into PT we have calculated in terms of module. So 51516.45 divided by normal module divided by, now divided by CV is there. So CV is nothing but this one, 5.6 divided by 5.6 plus under root 0.5823 mn. Okay, now we will try to simplify this equation, okay, because 1.3 into 1.1 divided by 5.6 multiplied by 5151 6.45, so this you can simplify it. Okay, so at the end you will get this, after simplification you will get this equation as P effective is equal to 13155.09 into, now this bracket will leave as it is and this mn will leave as it is. Okay, so 5.6 plus under root v, okay, divided by, now this mn we will write here. Okay, remaining all terms we just have calculated. Okay, 1.3 into 1.1 into 5151 6.45 divided by this. Okay, so this complete product will be this. So this is P effective. Then after this you have to equate this P effective, okay, with P effective into factor of safety with SB.